What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be covering AMC, GameStop, what we can expect headed into next week with the earnings call coming up, the AMC manipulation we saw today, and why I think this is going to change next week. If you guys do find value in live technical analysis, live market updates, make sure you take action by hitting the subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Guys, AMC should be trading at $17, maybe even our price target $18, which was not a ridiculous price target. AMC was being held down blatantly right in front of us, in front of our faces, being manipulated. It was held down at $14 the entire trading day, literally trading like an OTC stock. This is not an OTC stock. Two hedge funds, who knows how many, were buying and selling massively between the spread, which so happened to be right around a penny, between $13.99 and $14. If you guys watched at level 2, you guys were pretty much, I was shocked. I have no words for this. The times and sales, where's the SEC at? Take a look at the times and sales here at $13.93. Look at those massive orders, the massive size. This is complete manipulation right in front of us. Makes me so mad, man. A GameStop closing above $200 is a huge win for me. Officially at $227 was the official closing price. I verified it on the YC website. Also, there were some questions as to what it closed at. Call options expired in the money. Around 4.9 million shares had to be bought before next Wednesday of next week, which so happens to be one day after the earnings. More importantly than that were the puts that expired worthless. Don't forget about that, guys. Tuesday, the most overlooked factor is the earnings call. If we take a look at what happened with AMC with the earnings call, my exact same plan on AMC pushing up into earnings is the exact same plan I have for GameStop, which my price target for GameStop, guys, is 250. I'm staying true to that. 250 is my price target for GameStop next week. Look at this push we had into AMC headed into the earnings, and when in doubt, like today, zoom out, we have this beautiful solid uptrend on AMC. And even if we do pull back to like 1244, I'm not a financial advisor. People have been asking me, where should I buy, where should I hop in? I would personally wouldn't chase the highs. I would wait for pullbacks and to find some support and get in at a cheaper price. That's just me. Ryan Cohen and his presence, his vision is more important than the earnings report, than when that number is going to be reported. Also, get ready for massive media shilling on GameStop if after the earnings, if they miss. Don't be surprised. We have already seen a lot of manipulation on the media, which is completely why I declined that LA Times interview. We were about to get an interview with AMC on the LA Times, and we declined it. Most importantly, because I don't respect the media. There was a video on Reddit that I saw about the manipulation on the congressional hearing for GameStop, how they were clipping certain segments and removing certain segments, which we also saw on CNBC when they were talking about Wanda. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I won't want to bring it up here. Big whales and players are going to be watching what changes for GameStop fundamentally will be made. Don't overlook this. These guys are here and they're waiting. We're all waiting. GameStop has been completely silent. They have not spoken about this. Here I go with my conspiracy hat. Let me know what you guys think down below. A share recall? I want to hear it. There also has been dark pools. We'll cover the technicals on GameStop right now, guys. There has been dark pools, which I think are dark pools. Let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know what you guys think as well for this. Always at the market close. GameStop had an epic 1.37 million buy and sell within seconds apart, which happens to so fall under a $274 million order, as you can see here on the times and sales for on the Thinkorswim, literally a second apart right at market close. As well for AMC, guys, at $13.93, 45 million buy and sell literally at the same time, but like 10 minutes after or so, another buy order came in at the same price for the same amount of shares of 45 million. As for some technicals, guys, let's go over GameStop really quick. Of course, we have that previous resistance. That previous resistance at right around $200 is now seemingly some support. What do you guys see here on the 4-hour? I see a massive cup and handle about to form on GameStop. This literally almost placed to when we pulled back from 183, found some support and then broke out. We found some resistance at 300, pulled back, found some support at 200. It looks like we're about to curl up. That's why 250s, 300s is my price target. That's my price range for next week, especially since we have that catalyst of earnings call coming up, which I'm so stoked about. I'm super excited. Also, keep in mind, GameStop has had the same exact closing pattern for the last 3 days, guys, there has been a descending triangle. There has been resistance on the 5-minute, 30-minute EMA in this case, where we sell off and pull on back down. But it looks like we're now steadily holding right around the $200 mark. And of course, like I said, that catalyst, man, is one definitely not to overlook. As for some volume, 24 million for GameStop. Let's cover AMC, which has some support right around 1350, and of course that manipulative resistance and this wall at $14, which I don't know how we're gonna. 1401 is literally what seems to be the 801 of the past, except now we're at a higher price. Like I said, when in doubt, zoom out, look at that beautiful uptrend, keep that long-term vision in mind. Whatever your plan may be for AMC, stick to it, stay true to it, and stick to your plan. So my plan is to keep on holding. That's why today, quadruple wedging Friday, March 19th, it didn't really matter to me. And as for some volume for AMC, 151 million, which I believe is above yesterday's volume by like 20 million or so. So that's my plan headed into next week for AMC and GameStop, guys. Let me know what you guys think below. Let me know what you expect, your entries, your thoughts. I want to hear it. So with that being said, I will see you guys Sunday for another chill vibes. We're gonna look at futures. We're gonna look at crypto. Come teach me some crypto, guys. I want to have some of you guys come on. Click the first link down below on Discord. I'd love to have you guys come on, share your thoughts, ideas, your plans, your experience, your knowledge. Come teach us all. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your Friday and overall the weekend, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Peace out.